how to make and create makeup and beauty video on Canva PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to create makeup and beauty professional video on Canva. First thing, go here and go to the top, click on create a design, click on video, and it will take you to this page. Now scroll down like this here on this list until you find makeup and beauty video. Click on see all and now choose any template you want here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Click on it again. Now edit anything you want here, for example like this, and you can change anything, and after you finish editing, go to the top and click download. Very easy and fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe.